What's up? I'm back with another video. So I was guided to go back and look at the letter that Jasmine Gibbs sent. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something, right? I want you guys to see this on camera, and then I'm gonna show you how I communicate with them, because yes, I'm an artist, and yes, I'm having fun and I'm making music, and yes, I have a lot of passion, but I don't talk to people that way. I'm actually very professional. And I know how to communicate and elaborate and express myself. Now, this is what the issue is. As a social worker, because part of our duty is to advocate, right? That's what I've been trained to do. And I'm always going to stand on justice, okay? So the reason as to why I have to hold you guys accountable, one, I'm going to defend myself, and I'm never afraid to do that, right? Especially because I know that I'm right? And that my rights have been violated, okay? Number two, I'm able to communicate, effectively, right? I'm a great communicator. I can write, I can speak. But what about the other people that go to school, that may have issues with, verbally writing or communicating, the situation or scenario or the incident that occurred? What happened if they didn't document like how I document, or videotape like how I videotape? You see how I have to go through great lengths and measures just to prove this? And mind you, I can prove this in less than 5 minutes. Now let's take a look at this letter that I received on November 13th. Okay, mind you, I received this letter from Noga, who knew nothing about the case, but yet she's an attorney. And like I said, I was contacted by Charmaine, and I signed a disclosure for them to start an investigation, to redo the investigation that they supposedly did the first time. But again, when that information came back, that was all incorrect and false information and a made up story that Jasmine and then Amber signed off on, okay? Disregarded none of my claims, right? Okay, so again, I received an email from Noga, and I called her right when shortly after I received it. And when I got Noga on the phone, Noga could not pretty much tell me any of the details because she did not know. That's why she called, and we were on a 3-way call with Jasmine. Okay. Now, let's look at this document, because I want to show you how this attorney is coming up with a whole made up story and cannot get her facts correct. Okay. And I'm also going to show you how I communicate with them via email, right? Okay. So let's dive into this. So again, we can see that, right here. Let's do this like this. Well, let's do like that. Don't worry about my address. You're not going to find me there. But anyway, let's see. Okay. So it says I'll read it. Let me see. Come on. Well, it's a little blur. Okay, let's see. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, let's see. Cool. So it says, on October 26, 2024, the United States Department of Education Office of Civil Rights received your discrimination complaint. Okay, it's saying that I filed da-da-da-da. Now, this is where the issue comes in. It says, in the case of disability discrimination. Can you guys see that? In the case of disability discrimination, ORC has the authority to investigate complaints. So this woman has me under disability discrimination, right? Let's finish it so you guys can read it and whatnot. And then she says the Department of Education cannot receive financial, because what she's saying is ORC has the authority to investigate complaints against certain state and local public entities. The Department of Education not receive financial assistance from itself, and it is federal agency rather than a state or local entity. Therefore, OCR is dismissing the complaint because OCR does not have jurisdiction to investigate complaints against the Department of Education or its officials. How dumb is this, you guys? This girl who is incompetent and has me under disability discrimination, who has a disability, she or I? Because it's under race discrimination. That's what I submitted, okay? I don't understand where she got this from, okay? And then she has the audacity. She didn't do the proper investigation, but she turns around and writes that nonsense. She can't investigate herself. First of all, I didn't send this to you. The investigation officers was actually supposed to be Andre Thomas, honey. Okay, so I don't know what this is about. Are you trying to defame my character? Because when I first saw this, I was so focused on how dumb is this that they would reassign the case to this woman. But I truly believe that and Andre and Charmaine do not know. Now, if they do know, this is absolutely crazy, right? Mind you, I'm waiting for my call back from Charmaine. You know, I called him, so I'm expecting a call back. But you see how crazy this is? Disability discrimination. This is incorrect facts along with the first investigation. And that's what I'm trying to highlight, okay? And again, wrong information. Again, Noga doesn't know. That's why, you know, okay, I'll give her the benefit of the doubt, but I don't understand. I don't understand. This is all foolery. This woman, like I said, is extremely fishy, and she lacks the capacity to function in this role. And she honestly puts shame to you guys, District 11. Her along with Amber. I'm sorry, but it's true. But this one is extreme. This one is extreme. Now, let me show you how I've been communicating with them. Okay? So that you guys can see how I talk to them. Okay? Sent emails. Okay, mind you, this was the last email that I sent them, which was recently, because that's when I noticed, you know, that, and I pretty much called them out. I highlighted it, the discrimination. Ooh, I don't know if you could see it, but I did point it out. I said, excuse me, but why does Jasmine's letter say disability discrimination? Wow, my goodness, are you trying to defame my character? I'm clearly not the individual with disability. This is absolutely ridiculous and extremely unacceptable. Clearly, she's incapable of getting the facts correct. Like how she did both times during the investigation. This is even more proof of what I'm talking about. But I just sent that. But before that, I sent this. Dear, and mind you, I have CC'd both Amber, Noga, Andre, and Charmaine. And I'm waiting for Charmaine to give me a call back. I said, I left you a voicemail regarding Jasmine's recent letter that I received. Let's see, I'm going to back it up and then I'm going to read it, not looking at the screen. But I'll try to read it like, I'll try to read like this, okay? Okay, like this. Okay, so pretty much what I said, Dear Charmaine Canton, I left you a voicemail regarding Jasmine's recent letter that I received last week in which she claimed it was unacceptable for her to investigate her own actions. I'm not sure why she was reassigned the case to begin with when the letter I signed and emailed you and Andre said Liberty University. This is beyond ridiculous and undermines the integrity of any resolution process. I would appreciate a prompt call back and a formal response regarding this matter. To clarify, Jasmine A. Gibbs mentioned over the phone that it was unacceptable for teachers to research students and that it was acceptable for teachers to research students and send pictures of their former students. However, after consulting a professional lawyer, can you guys see? Okay, let's see. After consulting a professional lawyer and researching my rights, I strongly disagree with this claim. Yeah. Teachers are generally, okay, let's see with this claim. Okay. I'm trying to read it through my phone as well, but anyway. So, teachers are generally bound by the laws and professional ethics and ethics that protect student privacy, including the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA. FERPA restricts the disclosure of personally identifiable information from students' educational records without proper consent. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to read it through my phone and also film at the same time so you guys can see it. Okay, hold on. Sharing photos of students, particularly without permission, violates FERPA and professional conduct policies if the photos were obtained through school systems or during school activities. This type of behavior raises several concerns. It violates privacy laws and breaches professional boundaries. Sharing photos maliciously, inappropriately, or without a clear educational purpose could result in disciplinary actions or legal consequences. It is deeply concerning that both Jasmine A. and Amber appear so unaware of what constitutes discrimination and harassment. Their lack of understanding highlights a failure to adhere to basic professional legal standards. Charmaine, I would greatly appreciate a call back to address these issues. If necessary, I am more than willing to escalate this matter to a different district or oversight body to highlight this behavior. I am also prepared to format video documenting the conduct within District 11 to ensure that these issues receive the attention they deserve. I'm greatly appalled by the lack of professional common sense and integrity shown by the representative of the United States Department of Education District 11 in handling this matter. I trust you will take the situation seriously and provide a thorough response. Sorry guys, it's kind of blurry because I'm trying to read it. Also, like, you know, look at the screen. And then I sent them, you know, a copy of my playlist because I have to prove my case, which is sad. Which I prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. You know what I'm saying? So that was one of them. Pretty much what I'm saying, and I have more receipts. I can prove, oh, sorry. So pretty much what I'm saying, pretty much what I'm saying is, you know, I'm not going to go through all the emails, but I've been very polite and very nice in my communication to them. Okay. Now I have not received a response from Charmaine. I'm going to be patient. Mind you, this case started. So the very end of, March, because, the situation, the incident occurred around, Easter, right? So, I think that Monday, cause Easter Sunday, then Monday, it was a holiday, like we had off. And then on Tuesday, that's when I actually filed my formal complaint to what's it called? To Liberty University. Now, if I show you that first document that I also sent to United States Department of Education, but the one that I sent to Liberty, my goodness, that report is amazing, right? And clearly details from start to finish the same thing that I've been showing you guys, and with proof pictures and everything, attachments, everything. I made it very simple. And I don't understand why these people cannot get it right. I don't understand, right? And even in her last letter, disability discrimination. I don't have a disability, Jasmine. Maybe you need to go get checked out, because I think you're the person with the disability. So don't go around defaming my character. You know, and that letter is, you have incorrect information. First of all, my name is not Ashley Miller. My name is Ashley Marshall. Second of all, I never filed for disability discrimination. You see, this is what I'm talking about. It's absolutely ridiculous, you guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. So I'm going to be patient. Charmaine, I'm going to wait for you to reach out to me next week. And if I don't hear, I'm going to definitely, I'm not dropping the ball on this. I'm going to make sure justice is served and that this, situation does not happen again, because I see how easily, Jasmine, Amber, how you've been doing things. And if I can type on so easily online and see all these people needing an attorney, that's not a good look. That is not good. And I can see why they have to seek outside help, because I see what you were doing to me. And like I said, I proved this beyond a reasonable doubt, and I made it so easy for you guys. And yet you guys call yourself attorney. I don't understand. And I'm out.